Hey, it's Skillbyte here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a running toilet. Generally, what you have to do to fix this is to replace the flush valve gasket. Step 1, turning clockwise, turn the inlet water valve off. You can remove the top, the lid of the tank. Go ahead and empty it by flushing. Till it is drained as much as it's going to drain. Now this water is not the same as the water that was in the toilet. I wouldn't call it clean, but it hasn't been in the toilet either. So remove any wire that is holding the flush rod, flush lever rod on. Now remove the fill hose. Unscrew the stop cap. That will allow you to pull this up and out of the way. And there's the ring. That's your gasket. Just pull the old one out. Hopefully yours won't get caught on everything like mine. So if you don't know what type of tank you have, you can measure the old gasket and get one of similar size and thickness. Now with the new one, there are a couple places that you might think you can put this. You always want it on the top one. It'll be tight. You want to just get it in that top slot, like so. Put that back on. Whatever you're using to keep yours in place, put that back in. Cap back on. Inlet hose, fill hose back in. Now we can turn the water on counterclockwise. It's going to fill up and shouldn't leak anymore. You shouldn't have a running toilet. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, donate, and good luck with yours.